Known for its incredible skyline, high-end luxury brands, crystal clear waters, rich cultural heritage, luxury accommodation and world-class dining, Dubai offers a unique blend of modernity and tradition, making it a must-visit destination for anyone looking for an unforgettable travel experience. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Aslam from Pick Your Trail, where we talk about all things travel, for travelers, by travelers, from travel experts. In this video, we will talk about how you can vacation in Dubai in just under 50,000 rupees. Yeah, you heard it right. With this budget, you can expect to spend a vacation time of 4 nights and 3 days in Dubai. You will be able to stay at some good 3-star properties with this budget. Once you land in Dubai, you could go on a Marina cruise drive. On the following days, you could spend your time in Dubai doing a city tour and not miss visiting the Dubai Museum, Jumeirah Mosque, Jumeirah Beach, Burj Al Arab and the Dubai Mall during the daytime. During the noon time, you could go on a desert safari, and if you are an adventurous person, you will love dune bashing, so don't forget to try your hand at that. And then comes the sunset. The sunset over the desert is a treat for any traveler. You can spend a good amount of time taking pictures here. Post sunset, you can enjoy live shows and activities such as belly dancing, Arabic music, fire dance show, tanura show and henna painting. During a trip, you can enjoy a barbecue buffet dinner and a live grilling station and taste the authentic Arabian cuisine. You can also visit the Dubai Aquarium, the Miracle Garden or the Dubai Frame. Next time when you're planning your vacation, don't let the expense of vacation hinder your plans. Because with proper planning and the right travel expertise, you can travel for less. Pick Your Trail will help you get the best deals and also personalize your itinerary just the way you want it. Watch out for our next video where we give you the tips for planning a budget-friendly vacation in Dubai. For more such videos, do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon to stay tuned and unwrap the world with us to enjoy a hassle-free holiday.